As of July 6, the coronavirus was detected in another 1,233 people in Kyrgyzstan, the Ministry of Health and Social Development reports. According to the information, 789 cases were registered in Bishkek, 44 in Osh, 139 in Chuy, 32 in Osh, 9 in Talas, 13 in Naryn, 35 in Isyk-Kul, 83 in Jalalabad, and 89 in Batkent. 763 people recovered for the past 24 hours, 410 in Bishkek, 83 in Osh, 94 in Chuy region, 55 in Osh region, 8 in Talas region, 9 in Naryn region, 16 in Isyk-Kul region, 63 in Jalalabad, and 25 in Batkent region. For the past 24 hours, 4 patients died from COVID-19 in Bishkek, 3 in Isyk-Kul region, and 1 in Batkent region. To date, 4,158 patients are being treated from COVID-19 on stationary basis and 1,212 people are outpatients. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 133,303 people have been infected with the COVID-19 in Kyrgyzstan. 113,975 of them recovered. However, 2,054 people died.